Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon, today to show you a great new floor plan from a really great company. This is a Coachmen, it's a Coachmen Apex Nano Ultralight. It's called a 189. It's a brand new design and I really like it a lot because even though it's got a slide out and a queen walk around bed, it's weighing less than 3,400 pounds. So for those of you that have a light tow vehicle like maybe something with a 5,000 pound tow rating, this rig is probably the lightest coach you're going to find that has the features that everybody's looking for. Let's go take a look inside. All right, so there's a couple of really great things about this coach. It's an open floor plan. There's nothing in the middle to congest it. Usually these small trailers, if they don't put the bathroom all the way in the back, everything gets kind of bunched up in here. So this has got a lot of elbow room, and a tall guy can stand up in here because it's got a bit of a crown to the roof. We'll talk more about the roof in a second. I want you to pay particular attention to the queen walk around bed. That's very easy to get in and out and make, and it's unusual that it's got a front window. That's pretty new. For years and years and years, people have been missing their front windows. Now we finally got them back with these new front caps that are on these. They're quite attractive. Got a nice slide out. This couch will make a bed, and this is just a little utility box we've got here, and these will fold down and go out of the way, but they can come up and be a footrest or a seat also. And then we have a really nice open kitchen design with a double sink. There's your stove there, microwave is here, and you can see there's plenty of storage underneath for pots and pans. Also up above has a nice audio system in here, and then it's got a great bathroom. So I'm just going to open that up. Really nice. So what you can do in here is you can have a small light trailer that can sleep 2 to 4 people if you need to. Small people, the adult bed is there, but the couch makes a small bed, and has a full-size fridge and freezer and just a really lot of nice things inside. Also, it's extremely high quality. So this coach, this roof that's up here, this is called a one-piece bonded roof. It's a solid core like that. So there's no place in there for water to be. It's not a truss roof. It's a solid piece of block polystyrene that's been laminated into a single shape, and it works really well. The sidewalls are like that and the floor is like that on this coach. So something that I really like about it. Let's go out here. Thing I want you to notice on this coach is this word right here, AZDEL, A-Z-D-E-L. That's a special construction component here in the sidewall that prevents delamination. It's not a biodegradable material. Most trailers have a layer of wood under all this fiberglass, so even if you have aluminum frames, you're still pretty vulnerable to water. This doesn't have that problem. Also, this has LED lighting inside and out, even has cute little spotlights on the outside speakers. And under the awning, this has a power awning. We can see here, got great storage in the front. Got a solar panel connector so I can have battery reinforcement if I'm dry camping. You've got room here for 2 batteries. If you buy one from Guaranty, we always provide you 2 batteries on a rig with a slide out. It's good that we can fit them in here. This end cap I was talking to you about is like a nice enclosure for the window, and it's part of the design, so it's not as likely to leak. Like old trailers, one of the reasons they discontinued front windows is they had a tendency to leak in the front. But this is all engineered and it's a lot less likely to do that. It's not just a hole cut into the front. One of the nice things on this coach here is that it's got a sewer flush mechanism, so it's easy to keep your waste system clean, and it's very easy to get to your pipes and your gate valves. It's all right here, simple to do. If you look at the back, you'll see a nice clean shape with a little bit of a crown to the roof for water runoff. It's a good time for me to mention at Guaranty, we offer free roof inspections to our customers every year. So if you have a good roof design and you get your seals maintained and checked, you'll never have to worry about leaks. There it is, a thumbnail sketch of the 189 RBS Apex Nano from Coachmen, a trailer I like a great deal. Remember, it only weighs about 3,400 pounds with a slide out and a queen walk around bed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, my name is Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.